Now recording.
What number is he on?
5.
Ooh, I get picked next.
Okay, what was number 4?
4 was lovely flashlight.
That bites.
Wanda's
What was
putting the
3?
old Price is Right move on it.
3 was the lovely chocolate.
Okay. Hickory Farms beef summer sausage, Italian herb and cheese spread, cracked wheat crackers,
Hold it up. Let's see.
hickory cheddar blend. Ooh.
That looks pretty good.
Is he keeping it?
Yeah.
Not for long.
Okay, which one is
Number 6, I will take that one. Alright, I'll take that one. It's See's Candy. No, it's Cola Vita olive oil,
And garlic.
garlic, and plates, and you get to keep your Hickory Farm. I'm staying here.
All right, who's got 7?
Me.
Which one you getting?
Well, we know what's in that one, but that's mine.
Mom.
So,
This one?
She's going for the big one. Oh no. Okay.
Oh, she's all decked out for Christmas.
Excuse me, get a little friendly there.
I told you sometimes she does that.
What number are you, Mom?
10.
What number are we on now?
7.
Come on!
What are those golf balls?
Jerk!
You shouldn't listen to what they tell you to do.
Candy, candy, candy.
Child!
Rotten child. That's your rotten child. Flashlight.
There are two.
I did trade them, can
Amy,
I? A scratch ticket.
Why would you want those?
Because I don't want golf balls.
Amy, Wanda just said
Flashlight.
Say it again, Wanda. How do you say it?
Flashlight.
She's like Vanna White.
Man.
Garlic.
Shut up! She might have forgot that.
There are two people.
I know Daddy will love them. I'll keep
You should still trade for something else.
Trade him for that chocolate.
I'm gonna
Yeah, trade for his chocolate.
Trade him for his chocolate.
Oh, she's like, oh, I'm gonna eat all them I want anyway.
Anyway.
Yeah.
Number 8.
Number 8.
8. Yeah.
I hate you.
Go Taylor,
I
go.
hate your book.
You shouldn't have listened.
You get a
to me.
job
Don't
now,
listen to me.
boy.